Be ready? Start. The Commission is empowered with prohibiting dissemination or publication of voting trends that seek to influence voters by opinion polls or exit polls. To curb the growing influence of money during elections, the Election Commission has made many suggestions and changes in this regard. The Commission has appointed IRS officers of the Income Tax Department as election observers, expenditure of all elections, and has fixed the legal limits on the amount of money which a candidate can spend during election campaigns. These limits have been revised over time. The Election Commission, by appointing expenditure observers from the Indian Revenue Service, keeps an eye on the individual account of election expenditure. The Commission takes details of the candidates' assets on affidavit at the time of submitting nomination paper, who are also required to give details of their expenditure within 30 days of the declaration of results. The campaign period has also been reduced by the Commission from 21 to 14 days for Lok Sabha and Assembly elections to cut down election expenditure. In an attempt to decriminalize politics, the Election Commission has approached the Supreme Court to put a lifetime ban on convicted politicians from contesting elections. Electronic voting machines (EVM) India has been the first country to adopt electronic voting at such a large scale. Electronic voting machines (EVM) were introduced by Election Commission in order to reduce malpractices and improve efficiency. They were tried for the first time on an experimental basis for the 1982 Kerala State Legislative Assembly elections. After a successful testing and the legal inquiries, the Commission took the decision to begin the use of these voting machines. The introduction of voter verified paper audit trial VVPAT in 8 Lok Sabha constituencies in 2014 Indian general elections was a big achievement for the Election Commission. This voter verified paper audit trial system was first used with EVMs in a by-poll in September 2013 in Noksen Assembly constituency in Nagaland, and eventually in all elections from September 2013 onwards in various legislative elections in the country. Photo electoral rolls with photographs of the candidates on the EVMs were first introduced in the 2015 Bihar Legislative Assembly election. In 2014, none of the above or nota was also added as an option on the voting machines, which is now a mandatory option to be provided in any election. The specific symbol for nota, a ballot paper with a black cross across it, was introduced on 18th September 2015. The symbol has been designed by National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad. Election Commission organized an open hackathon on 3rd June 2017 to attempt hacking of electronic voting machine used by the Commission in various Indian elections. The NCP and CPIM were the only two parties that registered for the event, but none of them participated. Functioning of EVMs and VVPAT machines were demonstrated to the teams. Postal voting in India is done only through the electronically transmitted postal ballot papers ETPB system of Election Commission of India. Ballot papers are distributed to the registered eligible voters who return the votes by post. Postal votes are counted first before the counting of votes from the EVM. Only certain categories of people are eligible to register as postal voters. Employees working in the Union Armed Forces and State Police, as well as their spouses and those working for the Government of India.